Hi guys, we're going to read Little Cloud by Eric Carle. The clouds drifted slowly across the sky, and Little Cloud trailed behind. The clouds pushed upward and away, and Little Cloud pushed downward and touched the tops of the houses and the trees. The clouds moved out of sight, and Little Cloud changed into a giant cloud. Little Cloud changed into a sheep. Sheeps and clouds sometimes look alike. Little Cloud changed into an aeroplane. Little Cloud often saw aeroplanes flying through the clouds. Little Cloud changed into a shark. Little Cloud once saw a shark through the waves of the ocean. Little Cloud changed into two trees. Little Cloud liked the way the trees never moved and stayed in one place. Little Cloud changed into a rabbit. Little Cloud loved to watch rabbits dash across the meadows. Then Little Cloud changed into a hat because Little Cloud changed into a clown and he needed a hat. The other clouds drifted back. They huddled close together. Little Cloud, they called, come back. Little Cloud drifted towards the clouds. Then all the clouds changed into one big cloud, and it rained. The end.